Hello, this is William, and this is my final project, a bass searcher. And this is designed for those who's gonna buy their first bass, but they're not very familiar with the bass industry. So they can just simply search here, and I'll just type in the Fender, is a brand, and they can also do the advanced search. They can choose between the bass type, and they can set up the price range. Also, they can choose between how many number of strings they want in bass. Okay, so after they send out the search, you can see here, and they also know that they are searching 4-string electric basses with Fender, and there are 124 results here, and if they are not happy with it, they can just simply click here to search again. And here's all the basses they can see here. And first, this is the name of the bass, the brands, the styles, and there are a lot of them. Yeah. Okay. So if they want to know more about the bass, they can click on this button, the read more, and so they can see the description, and they can collapse again by clicking on the same button. And if they want to see the video to hear the voice of the bass, they can click on the see video. And here they can see a YouTube video here, and just
Hey
play
guys,
it.
Sam from PMTV UK here, and today...
Yeah, and after they hear the voice of the bass, they can simply read the description again, and if they want to buy it, they can just simply click on this, go get it. And this will lead them to the Guitar Center page, and they can buy it here. Okay, so let's come back to our application. If they want to know more about the brands, they can click on the bass brands. And here they can see there are about nearly 200 brands here, and there are brand names and countries and brief descriptions. And if they want to know more about a brand, they can click on the Learn More. And this will lead them to the official page, and you can see the basics here. Okay. And if they want to know more, not only for one brand, they want to know more about the whole bass industry, they can see analysis. And there are all the charts here, and first this is brands by countries, and so we can know that United States have 60 bass brands, and Japan have 9, and so on. In the second chart, you can see this is basses by brands, and you can see the famous Fender have 252 bass on the Guitar Center page. And lastly, this is basses by price. So you can see the most expensive bass. This is a Fender Custom Shop, blah blah blah, and also the cheapest one, and which is a Rogue. This bass, and you can see the curve here, which is very interesting. And that's all. Thanks.